Hey guys, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Couture. So today I'm going to be doing a rooster, our farmer's market design for you on one of our chalkboards. Now this is our horizontal bracket chalkboard, and this is a very large chalkboard. And remember, the chalkboards we offer at Couture are all porcelain steel. They're magnetic and come with a 50-year warranty. And this is our farmer's market transfer, and I love this one. We've had this one for almost a year now, and it's always very popular. This is a great country decor or shabby chic decor, whatever you want to do. It's definitely a transfer for anyone who loves to decorate country, or if you want to just put a little pop into your kitchen. So we offer screen print reusable transfers at Couture, and that's why when you look at my transfer that I'm using right here, you can see I've used this. I can tell you this is probably the 10th time that I have used this transfer, and it still works great. They're all screen print reusable transfers, so once you're done, you clean it up with water and Clorox wipes, and then you store them again for future use. So it is endless possibilities. You can change out your decor all the time. And then we offer a line of Chalkology chalk paste, which is what I'm using here. I'm using a brick red, our mustard, a white, and then a true red. So those are the 4 colors that I have in this design for you today. And all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So as long as I don't seal my project, I can recreate designs over and over again, which is simply awesome. It's truly home decor without the commitment. So if you'd love to purchase products, you can do that straight through my website at chalkinwithjen.com and create beautiful designs on your own. I also offer local, if you're local to me, where we can do make and takes and sip and chalks. Or if you'd like to learn more about being a designer like me, or maybe you're that craft girl and just want that extra discount, please reach out to me once again at chalkinwithjen.com, as I would love to share that information as we are looking for designers all across the United States. So I hope you love the end result of our farmers market transfer.